Today, I'm going to show you how to move an overlay in CapCut step by step so you can position your text, images, stickers, or video overlays exactly where you want them on the screen. This is a super useful editing skill because once you know how to move and resize overlays properly, your videos instantly look cleaner, more polished, and more professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure your overlay is placed on a video track above your main footage. In CapCut, overlays need to sit on a layer above your main video, otherwise you won't be able to move them the way you want. So if you've already imported your clip, image, sticker, or additional video, check that it's sitting on the overlay track and not inside the main base clip. Once that's ready, go to your timeline and click the overlay clip to highlight it. You'll know it's selected when the clip becomes active and you can edit it. This step is important because CapCut only allows you to move the selected overlay in the preview window. If nothing is selected, you won't be able to reposition anything. Now look at the preview player, usually in the top right area of the screen. This is where you can see your video and directly adjust the overlay's position. Click and drag the overlay inside the preview window to move it exactly where you want it. You can place it in the corner, center it on the screen, move it lower for subtitles, or position it anywhere that fits your edit. Take your time here and fine-tune the placement until it looks balanced. If you need to make the overlay bigger or smaller, simply drag the corner handles of the overlay. Pulling outward will scale it up, and pulling inward will make it smaller. This is really helpful if your overlay is too large, too small, or blocking important parts of the video. By adjusting both the position and the size, you can make the overlay blend much better with your content. A quick tip, after moving the overlay, play back the timeline for a few seconds to make sure it stays in the right place and doesn't cover anything important. If it looks off, just click it again and adjust it until it feels right. CapCut makes this process very easy once you get used to dragging directly in the preview. And that's it. You now know how to move an overlay in CapCut and resize it to fit your video perfectly. This is one of those simple editing tricks that can make a huge difference in the final result. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.